Today is day 2 in the trial of the former University of Virginia lacrosse player charged with killing his ex-girlfriend.
In yesterday's opening statements, there were other charges of cheating and death threats. Whit Johnson is in Washington this morning. Whit, good morning.
Erica, good morning to you. Prior to Yardley Love's brutal death, prosecutors say George Hughley sent her an email accusing her of having sex with another man, saying, quote, "I should have killed you." Threats the defense argues still does not prove premeditated murder.
Seen publicly for the first time in nearly 2 years, a clean-shaven George Hughley looked much thinner than the beefed-up lacrosse player accused of murder. He appeared anxious in the courtroom, taking notes as the prosecution painted him as a man with a violent past, enraged by jealousy. Just 2 days before Yardley Love's death, they say Hughley fired off an angry email. "You said you would get back together with me if I stopped drinking. Then you went and bleeped Mike Burns. I should have killed you then." On those threats, prosecutors say Hughley followed through, kicking down her bedroom door, beating her to death, then stealing her laptop computer to dispose of the incriminating emails. Ex-prosecutor Wendy Murphy.
It's hard to prove what's in a person's state of mind. What's the next best thing? Something in writing. I wish I'd killed you. How do you explain that?
Hughley's attorneys urged the jury to consider a lesser charge of involuntary manslaughter, not first-degree or felony murder, which carries a life sentence. They say Hughley was drunk that night, so drunk he was incapable of plotting to kill. He went to her apartment wanting only to talk, but it escalated. The defense quoted from the police interrogation just hours after Love's death. Hughley said, "She's not dead. I didn't. I did not. I never did anything that could do that to her." The defense also began efforts to cast doubt on Love's official cause of death, blunt force trauma, suggesting that prescription medication and alcohol in her system could have been factors too.
The defense might well be able to put on an expert to say, yes, he banged her head on a wall, but she died from something else. The question is, will a jury believe it?
And we've also learned that Yardley Love did not die right after that beating took place. Instead, she lied face down on her bed for 2 hours, unable to move, unable to cry for help.
It's awful. Whit, thank you.